my glasses? I'm wearing them because I'm at the Advanced Laser and Skincare Center in San Ramon, showing you the most advanced technology right now in laser skin treatment. If you have wrinkles, acne scars, or fine lines, you're going to want to know about this advanced laser skincare treatment, and someone who definitely knows all about it is Dr. Tomczyk in San Ramon. Hi, Dr. Tomczyk.
Hi.
So tell me about this new laser treatment.
This laser is a miracle. I've been in lasers for over 30 years, and this is the best laser in the last 30 years. Mixto microfractional CO2 lasering uses the carbon dioxide or CO2 laser, the acknowledged gold standard, in laser resurfacing, tightening, and smoothing.
So what do you mean by CO2?
Well, CO2 refers to the wavelength of light that we use to resurface the skin. What it does to the skin is smooths out wrinkles and acne and chickenpox scars by 40%. It removes pigment and it removes precancerous sun damage spots. And the CO2 or carbon dioxide wavelength is the best wavelength for resurfacing, smoothing, and tightening skin.
Okay, is this something that hurts?
Not at all. That's the surprising thing. The microfractional technology means making small holes about the size of a period at the end of a sentence over 20% of the skin surface. This allows us to get the benefits of the carbon dioxide laser with minimal downtime, minimal pain, and incredible results.
So it's not as invasive?
In fact, it's very comfortable, and it has only a 1-week recovery period.
I am amazed at the photos. The other thing too is that I walked in here, you can actually watch someone getting the treatment done. They're just comfortable, calm, cool, no pain.
And no pain afterward. More tightening and itching, but we lubricate the skin with moisturizers 6 to 8 times a day for about 5 days.
All right, so also looking at the photos, I looked at someone there who, you look at the first day, 6 days, what you see over a few months. Can you describe what happens within that time?
On the first day, after the surgery, there's a bronzing or pigmenting of the skin, and then it peels off like a bad sunburn over the next 3 days. So during that first 4-day period, most people stay indoors and out of sight because it looks like the worst sunburn you've ever had. But by day number 6, you're able to put makeup on and go to work.
Some people have deep acne scars and some deep lines, and the pictures really show results.
I believe the Mixto CO2 laser is the best of the CO2 lasers out there, and CO2 outperforms all of the other lasers on the market.
How long does it take for someone to actually see results?
People will see results in the first 10 minutes after procedure, and at 1 week will notice 40% tightening. Over the next 6 months, they will get up to 60% tightening. It outperforms every laser on the market prior to this one.
How many times do you have to do this?
Once.
That's it?
That's it. One treatment of this laser will outperform 3 to 5 treatments of all the lasers that are not CO2.
Who's a good candidate for this Mixto treatment?
All skin types are good candidates for this treatment. This is good for people with darker skin, Filipino, African American.
Are you talking about me right now?
Absolutely.
You're like, sign me up!
Absolutely.
No, because before it used to be one of those things where you said, okay, darker people may not be able to benefit from this, but they can.
That's correct. In the previous generations of lasers were not able to treat darker skin effectively. The Mixto microfractional CO2 laser is amazing because it doesn't make any difference what color your skin is.
Do you also do this on other parts of the body, like not just on the face, right?
Oh yes. This laser is capable of doing the face, the neck, the décolletage area, the backs of the hands and the arms.
All right, so finally, remember, there are all sorts of treatments out there. You want to look for the Mixto treatment, and of course, Dr. Tomczyk is here in San Ramon. But if you're looking for a doctor in your area, log on to laseringusa.com, and there's also a phone number.
Yes, 866-471-0469.
You did a good job of memorizing that.
Thank you.
Thanks very much, Dr. Tomczyk. See for yourself the results from the Advanced Laser and Skincare Center here in San Ramon with Dr. Ting. Hi, Dr. Ting.
How are you?
Good, thank you. So we had a number of people go through the microfractional CO2 laser skincare treatment.
This patient's fantastic. Microfractional CO2 laser resurfacing by Laser USA has really been the gold standard.
So it's called Mixto?
It's microfractional CO2 laser resurfacing by Mixto from Laser USA.
Okay, so once again, we took a number of people and they all had this treatment. So let's talk about each of the patients.
Well, Shelley is a 42-year-old personal trainer with a lot of sun damage in the past. You can see that along the lower half of her face. She has also a little bit of acne scarring, so the texture around her mouth, you can see small crevices. After the microfractional CO2 laser treatment by Mixto from Laser USA, she had a fantastic result. In 6 days, a lot of the dyschromia, some of her melasma, pretty much gone.
Now her skin's only going to get better.
Oh, this is just the beginning. There is going to be a continual production of collagen underneath the top layer of the skin. And this process will continue up to 6 months. Because of the way laser works, it penetrates across the top layer of the skin.
Now the other one I'm excited about is Fred, because he has a darker skin tone, and that's something that hasn't really been done before.
That is true. People of Latino American, Asian American heritage, doctors really have stayed away for it the longest time. We're concerned about post-treatment dyschromia, scarring. With this new technology, fractional CO2 laser resurfacing by methode from Laser USA, doctors now have the option to offer state-of-the-art laser resurfacing with minimal downtime and minimal concern for scarring.
Now, I was saying that because, not that I meant that it's never been done before, but it's like people with darker skin tones, it's a little more challenging.
Absolutely. With fractional CO2 technology, that concern is minimal.
Okay, so what did you do to Fred?
Fred is a 52-year-old male who had a lot of anti-scarring. He actually had gone through a couple courses with Accutane some 10, 20 years ago. So you can see that in the before picture, a lot of deep, crevices, unevenness of skin. And not only are we seeing some improvement and smoothing out of those anti-scarring, the texture is refreshed.
Okay, so right now we're looking at him 3 weeks later, and you can already see results.
You can see that, and you can see some tightening as well. His skin is a lot more smooth. The laser delivers the columns of energy in small pixels. We all have high-definition TVs at home. If you get closer to the monitor, you can see small pixels. That's how this laser works. So it does not interfere with the way our skin produces pigment.
So now we have HD skin, is that what you're telling me?
Something like that, yes.
All right, let's talk about Kathy.
Well, Kathy is a 45-year-old female with Portuguese and Italian heritage. She really has been bothered by the amount of anti-scarring she has. She actually has invested a lot of her financial resource in doing painful dermabrasion, deep chemical peels. She did not see any results until she came to us.
Okay, so bad acne scars.
Huge. We're talking about divots, pits, and with one treatment, we're talking about one treatment. A lot of modalities out there. You're looking at 4, 5 treatments. This is one treatment. You've seen this fantastic before and after.
That's also been a challenge before for a lot of people who have these kinds of things, acne scars.
Because you're not only getting laser resurfacing, you're getting continual stimulation of collagen. So she will only look better as time goes on.
And finally, who do we have?
We have Cindy. She's a 36-year-old white female with a lot of anti-scarring, but she also has had a lot of sun damage. You can see the changes on her profile, a lot of unevenness of texture and pigment. She's definitely rejuvenated.
So of course we want to know how much this procedure costs.
It is under $3,000 for the face. It takes 30 minutes, minimal discomfort. We're talking about one treatment versus 3 to 5 treatments from other modalities.
Okay, and this treatment once again is called, we want to clarify exactly what it's called.
It is called microfractional CO2 laser resurfacing by methode from Laser USA.
All right, Dr. Ting, thank you very much here at the Advanced Laser and Skincare Center in San Ramon. What is the phone number for more information?
It is 866-471-0469.
All right, well, thank you very much. I have to say, you do have nice skin.
Sunscreen every single day for the past 8 years.
All right, so the final tip, sunscreen. Where's sunscreen, right?
Every single day, rain or shine.
Rain or shine. Thanks very much.